Hey guys, what's up? It's Storm Gaming here, and today we are going to be playing some Minecraft multiplayer again. Today we are going to be playing on the Hypixel server. It will let me, let's see. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. It's kind of being laggy for you guys. Okay, sorry about that. My computer was just being retarded, like really retarded. So, what shall we play? Let's play some build battle. Sorry if it's laggy, it's just my computer. It's like the most retardedest thing ever. So, sorry about that. Sorry if you can hear background noise too, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's play some build battle. The helicopter. Okay, I can do this. I need fence. White wool. Just wool, I guess. Black wool. And yeah, okay. So I need to like lay that like that, and I need to go over here. And I need to lay my white wool over here. No, that looks retarded. Okay. I need it like on top of this, not like that. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be like flying in the air. If I can even get like the fences on. Crap. Isn't good. Frick. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's gonna have like a pilot seat right here. Gonna have a pilot seat. And need glass. See how this works. Oh man, this is gonna look terrible. then I need white wool again. Man, this is the worst thing ever. Yeah, worst helicopter ever. Only thing I got good on this one is probably, well, the only thing I think I only almost got good on so far is like the helicopter blades. No. Okay. Need to like use this. Do that on each side. I'm sorry. Holy crap, this helicopter looks the most retardedest thing ever. Yeah, I didn't even do the freaking propellers right. Okay. I need to put like fences on the ground so it'll make it look like it's like landing. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Yeah, I didn't win. Just saying. Yeah, I didn't win. I'm gonna go epic on this one. Okay. Oh, I like this one. I'm gonna go good. Actually, epic. Yeah, I have no chance of winning this. This one's good. Or mine's gonna get like a whole lot of these ones. What is this? Sorry, I don't know what it is. Oh, helicopter pad, little helicopter. I get that. I'm gonna go okay. What? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go okay on it. Cause yeah. Man, people are so much better than me. I'm gonna go good on this one. They are. They really are. Yeah. If I were anybody, I would give this one of these. Guys, I scored 7th. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't cancel. Oops. Anyways, guys, this is Endstone Gaming, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.